Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer data from Shopify to HubSpot using migration tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer customer data from Shopify to HubSpot, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Search for a migration tool that supports Shopify to HubSpot transfers. Install the chosen migration tool by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the migration tool from your app list. Connect your Shopify account to the migration tool by providing the necessary permissions. Next, log into your HubSpot account. In the migration tool, locate the option to transfer data to HubSpot. Select the type of data you want to transfer, specifically customer data. You may have the option to customize the fields to ensure accurate data mapping. Review your selections to make sure all necessary fields are included. Once everything is set, initiate the migration process. Depending on the amount of data, this may take some time. Monitor the progress to ensure the transfer is occurring smoothly. After the migration is complete, log into your HubSpot account again. Check the Contacts or Customers section to confirm that your data has been successfully imported. Review the details to ensure everything transferred correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, use the migration tool to make adjustments as needed. Finally, familiarize yourself with your newly imported customer data in HubSpot. This process will help you integrate your customer management across platforms effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.